Exciting news, you guys. So if you want to now link to all the pages in your circle, it is now built into the Noomu platform. You can do link from buttons, from text. I am going to do this right here. We grab our text, we go link, and now you will see circle is here. So you can go into the different circles that you have and you can choose which page that you would like. And it puts them in categories. So if you have page groups and you have different pages inside there, you can link and now people will be able to go to the exact page that you want them to go to. If you have any questions, let us know. Happy to help you. Also, yes, you can do that on anywhere you do a link. So you can do it on the button. You again circle, and there you go. Easy to do and much more convenient. Hope you find that feature helpful.